Laphinde lashaya lolo suku, lelo hora, lowo mzuzu we-podcast radio and stuff. Ngizohemhemuza-ke namanje. Ngizohemhemuza-ke manje. Ngumfana wamahemhemu. Ngihamba ngedwa, akekho lo munye umfana wamahemhemu. Kodwa-ke ngithe angeni namhlanje ngizobheka nje iy'tori noma izinto ezenzeke emsakazweni kuleli sonto esiphuma kulona ezingichazile noma mhlambe futhi ezinye engangichazanga. So ngizokukhuluma konke okuhle engikuzwile emsakazweni nengikubona mina engathi akukuhle engikuzwile kuleli sonto esiphuma kulona. Elami igama nguNtobeko kaKhuluse, le i-podcast radio and stuff. Hello, welcome to it. Let's talk radio. Nawe ungaya kuma-comment section ufike usaziseke ukuthi ngabe yini eyenzakalile kuleli sonto esiphuma kulona ekuchazile, wayithanda, ufise ngathi imsakazi ingaqhubeka iyenze, noma hayi awuyizwa kahle khona mhlawumbe okuzwile ongakuzwa kahle okwenzeka emsakazweni. Please feel free to go into the comment section and tell us your thoughts and views. Let's get on with it. So mina okuhle engifisa nje ukuqala ngakho, okuhle engikuthandayo nengikuthande kakhulu kuleli sonto esiphuma kulona, ukubona abasakazi kanye no-producer, abantu aba-involved emsakazweni begraduate. This was beautiful. It was a beautiful, beautiful moment, and it's worth celebrating, and we have to celebrate them. I think as podcast radio and stuff, because we talk a lot about radio, we have to celebrate our radio people. It was so heartwarming to see so many radio presenters graduating. Ngiyazi mhlamba ngeke ngibabale bonke. Mawukuthi khona engizomshiya mina ngicela nawe uye kuma-comment section ufike usazise ukuthi wena ngabe imuphi umsakazo ombonile ograduateile, noma uproducer noma intatheli involved eradioweni. We want to know all about them. Please go into the comment section usazise. Mina engibabonile nengifisa ukuba-congratulate, ngizoqala ngoProverb weMetro FM. He graduated with an MBA. Congratulations, my guy. That's a huge achievement. As well as Mrozari Limarerere of Ukhozi FM. Naye futhi graduated with an MBA. That's big. That is big. I'm so happy for Mroza. I'm so proud of her. It's a huge achievement. So congratulations, Mroza. Umanelisi Ndwandwe of Gagasi FM. Siyamazi laphayana enza i-talk show ntambama on Mondays, open line with Umanelisi Ndwandwe. He graduated with an honors degree in journalism of Gagasi FM. So congratulations, Manelisi Ndwandwe. That's a big achievement, my guy. Really congratulations. Send him Mkhize Ukhozi FM. He's a producer there as well. Congratulations, Keys. This is a big achievement, my guy. And lastly, Tikaba of East Coast Radio graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in Drama, Performance, and English Studies. Congratulations, team. Well done. I really love to see these stories. It's beautiful. I love it. And into engijabulisa kakhulu ukubona abantu aba-involved kwi-radio beyithuthukisa ngolwazi lwabo. And uma ngabe ulalele umuntu o-informed on radio, you can tell. Umuntu oyixakayo ngokufuna ulwazi, you can tell. So some of these people mawubalalele labe kade ngibamenshina njengamanje, you know, be it ukhuluma ngoProverb or even Mroza or Manelisi Ndwandwe, you can tell ukuthi abantu abayixakayo ngolwazi. So uma ufunda ingqondo yakho ihlala igijima kuba, you know, uba kuleyo momentum yokwazi yokufisa ukuyixaka ngolwazi, I relax. So ne-content oyiletha eradweni iyamecha ibifana nempilo oyiphilayo at that time ekufuna ulwazi. So kuhle kakhulu ukubona abasakazi beyihlupha ngokufuna ulwazi, because imfundo ibalekile, but it's not just imfundo for the sake of imfundo. Ulwazi, that's the most important thing. So really congratulations to all the graduates that are on radio. We are inspired by you. So if you know anyone else that I did not mention that is on radio, please feel free to go into the comment section usazise ukuthi wena ngabe imuphi umsakazi ograduateile kuleli sonto esiphuma kulona noma ke emasonto adlule. Please let us know. We want to know. Okay, so that was the first story that I wanted to talk about, just to look at abasakazi abagraduateile, which I think is absolutely beautiful. But the next story that I want to look at is from a radio station that I recently started listening to. And for the past month ngilalela bona nje. Mawufika nje emotweni mawungena emotweni yami uzoyifica ikumhlobo wenene. So that's the radio station I've been listening to for the past month now. Njengoba ngilalela nje, njengoba ngilalela umhlobo wenene isikhathi eside kangaka, kodwa ishow engifisa ukukhuluma ngayo namhlanje lapha kumhlobo wenene, i-breakfast eyondlayo ekuseni, BEE. Yenziwa uPastor Rico, Pastor Nozeu, Mafa and Mlu. What a show. What a show. I am loving the breakfast show of Mhlobo Wenene. Breakfast eyondlayo ekuseni. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. You all know that I love breakfast shows. I love Felix and Mini in the morning. I love Anelem Mtoda. I'm loving UV as well as Rosa on Ukhozi FM. I love Metro FM with Sebi on the breakfast show. But this is one breakfast show that I haven't, that I started giving them time, and wow, I'm blown away, to be honest. I love the show. One, this show has been on since 2009. It's 17 years of BEE. That is big. Akujwayelekile ukubona i-radio show ihlala isikhathi eside kangaka. Yes, ziyaba khona ushintsho here and there, but the core of the show stays the same. So it's a huge achievement ukuba ne-show esihlale 17 years. Kodwa uthi mangabe uyilalela, it still sounds fresh. That's what when I listen to breakfast eyondlayo, it sounds fresh. It sounds fresh. And what do I mean by it sounding fresh? Ama-features owaziwayo ngizowenza isibonelo ngama-features awu-2. Banama-features abaningi, but ngizowenza isibonelo ngama-features awu-2. Ama-features owaziwayo, they are not only serious features, but also there is fun that is happening. Some of the features, ama-features esijwayele ukuwezwa kuma-radio stations lawo esithi a-commercial, where there's a lot of fun, a lot of games. You know, they are usually played in commercial radio stations. Yes, PBS do that too, but largely it's commercial radio stations. You know, they have a feature ethi umyinge ekhulwini. Umyinge ekhulwini basuke bethi uthi mhlambe ngenza isibonelo nje ikuphi basanda ukwenza. Bazothi mhlambe 56% of abantu bathi abayenzi lento. Ngabe yini leyo? And then you have to guess. Or I remember recently they said, I can't remember the percentages, but 40% of abantu bathi abamthembi lo muntu. Ngabe ubani lo muntu? Or but it was a profession, umuntu owenza i-profession thizeni. So abantu bazofona-ke bagese ukuthi ummeli or udokotela or a politician or a president. It's such a fun feature, umyinge ekhulwini. And then they have a tag abathi sifundisana, a tagline abathi sifundisa sidlala, sifundisa sidlala. I love that because it's educational, but they are playing at the same time. So it's light. The feature is light. It's not too hectic. It's not too serious. But also there is a lesson. Ukuthi awusuyazi ukuthi abantu abangaka ku100% bathi bona abayenzi lento. So umyinge ekhulwini is one of my favorite shows. Favorite features. They have another one that happens just before 7:30. Ezilishumi eshumini. So ezilishumi eshumini kusuke kwabantu abawu2 becompete and bazokubuza imibuzo, mhlawumbe bazothi isho amazwe aqala ngegama Z awu10 in 10 seconds, and whoever says the most is the winner. Bathi mhlawumbe lo competitor naye bathi akasho amazwe aqala ngegama A in 10 seconds. It's a fun show. That's the example I'm trying to give you. It's a fun show. I absolutely enjoy listening to a breakfast eyondlayo ekuseni. So if you haven't made time for that show, I really suggest you do. Just listen to it and let me know what you think. If you've been listening to the show, how? Uyini ufihla indaba engaka? indaba ungasazisi. You know, indaba ungasazisi, because wow, I'm really enjoying it. What I also love about the show is how they do sports. You know how they do sports? It's not just a sports bulletin. Amajita ayixoxela ngesports. Yes, umluzi ofika asho bese ziyahlala bese zithi ukuxoxa nje. You know, baxoxe asho comment uPastor Rico, comment noMafa. It's like it's not your typical sports bulletin. They do it differently, which I enjoy. You know, lobujita bokuthi sihleli sixoxa ngebhola or whatever sports abasuke bekhomenta ngaso ngaleso sikhathi. So I love how they do sports. Yeah, I recommend a breakfast eyondlayo ekuseni if you haven't made time for that show. Make time for that show. Just to listen. If you are a radio lover, if you are a hovering listener, you know you change radio stations. You want something different. Try them out. You might love them. You might love them. I'm not saying I'm leaving my other breakfast shows, but I was just trying this one for now, and wow, I'm blown away. Let's see if I'll be able to get out of it. But for now, I'm absolutely loving Breakfast Eyondlayo ekuseni. 17 years later, someone is like, "Hi, Ntobeko, you waking up 17 years later, my guy." I remember I listened to it Park Komafani many years ago as Science Breakfast the show. But in recent times, I haven't, and I'm loving the show. Speaking of the show, so the show is absolutely beautiful, and this, what I'm about to say, takes nothing away from the show. But I couldn't help but notice ukuthi amadoda wodwa kule show. Akekho umuntu obhinqileyo. Akekho umuntu wesifazane. Amadoda wodwa. So for me, I was like, I love it. The show is nice. It takes nothing away. What I'm saying takes nothing away from the show. And even from the station itself, from Mhlobo Wenene. Because if you look at other shows, you know, bakhona abantu besifazane. But it just made me think one more time. It's a topic that Ntokozo and I have had before. Ukuthi, radio still needs to do a whole lot more when it comes to abantu besifazane. I don't think radio is doing women justice. I think women who've been given an opportunity to do primetime shows have proven themselves that they can excel. You look at people like Anele Mdoda, Thando Thabethe on 947, Azania when she was on Musaka, when she was on radio. There are many more radio presenters who have been given these big shows like Breakfast Show, your Drive Show, and they've done an excellent job. Look at Rosa, what she's doing at Ukhozi FM. But they are few and far in between. Bambalwa abantu besifazane who are doing your big shows, your primetime shows, your morning drive and your afternoon drive, who are main hosts. So bakhona, I'm not saying abekho, bakhona, but there are few. YFM, you know, the drive. There are few though. So I really hope ukuthi radio and the powers that be in radio will give us more women talent. We want more females leading these big shows. Sikhona isikhala. Because mangabe befakwa sometimes baba ma co-host kube ukuthi uzolekelela. Uma ngabe kuukuthi ayikho main host kuzolandwa enye indoda ukuthi akube iyona ezolida. Lo okuyena permanent kule show uhlale khona but akalidi noma ngabe indoda le main host ingekho. Kodwa uma ngabe ingekho i-female co-host akulando omunye kuzothiwa lo main host akenza ishow yedwa. So it just goes to show ukuthi ama capabilities abantu besifazane when it comes to radio, they are still doubted by those in power in some instances. So that would be my plea. That would be my plea ukuthi kwi radio season elandelayo njengoba nje sizoqala i-radio season ya 2026-2027 next year ngo-March, mini radio, or rather ngo-April, mini radio stations. My request and plea ukuthi ngiyacela ukuthi azame ukunikeza abantu besifazane are capable. Not they are capable. They can do it. They've proven themselves over and over again. I've given you names of people that have done it. So it's just that if no one is giving you an opportunity, you won't be able to show what you can do. If you are not given an opportunity, you can't show what you can do. So I just feel like they are not given opportunities enough. Njalo kuhlale khona indoda kumele kube yiyona elidayo. Njalo kuhlale khona indoda kumele kube yiyona elidayo. So can we please have more women doing, leading shows? We love that. We love that. We love that. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to the next radio season, and I'm hoping that we'll see many women leading shows. So that was one thing that made when I was listening to the show, because of amadoda nje what ongenze triggered the thoughts, and then ngase ngicabanga about radio in general holistically, and I said it's something that Ntokozo and I have spoken about. And I said, there's still a gap even in 2026. We need to do better. We definitely need to do better, especially with your prime shows. So yeah, you can tell me your thoughts and views on that one. You can go into the comment section if ungazizwa ukuthi wena ucabangani, be it ufuna ukukhuluma ngebreakfast eyondlayo ekseni noma women in radio, especially on prime shows. Asingalokhu sibafaka nje 9 to 12 kuphela. Sibafake nakwamanye ama-shows. What do you think as main hosts? What do you think about that? And then lastly, what I want to look at is SAFM. Akulona ushintsho olusha lolu. Ushintsho selithanda kuba lidadlana. Kodwa I feel like I need to talk about it today. Hayi, angikho happy ngokwenziwe SFM. Angikho happy ngokuthi iMadlanga Commission ayisadlalwa on your current affairs shows, ngoba besazi ukuthi uma ngabe unesikhathi 12 to 3 kushow kaSakina kuzobe kudlalwa iMadlanga Commission. You'll go and listen to the show. Ukwazi ukubuka iTV mhlawumbe during your lunch time at work, you quickly sneak out, go into the car, listen for that 45 minutes during lunch, and then you go back, you continue working, you catch up basically. Or mawuthi ubhizi usuku lonke when you're driving home, ukhona iyadlala on kusho ka-Ashraf Garda 3 to 6 bidlala iphelele nakhona, you listen. Njengamanje ayisadlalwa, sekunama-slots like I know Sakina towards the end uyayidlala kancane. I think no Ashraf Garda towards the end of his show uyayidlala, and I think iphinde idlalwe between I think 8 and 9 on SAFM. I'm not happy with that. I'm not happy with that. For me, as someone that tries to follow what's happening in Madlanga Commission, I just feel like it's a disservice. Because manje mawukuthi awukwazi ukubuka YouTube, into ongakwazi ukuyilalela, it's something that is an audio. Ayikho enye radio station ebiyenza lokhu i-SAFM ebikwenza. I don't know what influenced that decision. I suspect maybe kubonakala ukuthi i-normal programming yona mhlawumbe abalaleli abaningi bebekhalela yona, bafuna ukuzwa ngezinye indaba instead of ukubelalela iMadlanga Commission. If that's the case, I just want to put it on record that I'm not one of those listeners. Personally, I preferred iMadlanga Commission idlalwa on SAFM ngama current affairs shows. Iqale iziyophela like uSakina Kamwendo adlalile iMadlanga Commission. I love Sakina. I love listening to Sakina. But it's temporary. It's not like it was a permanent thing. We know ukuthi izodlula iMadlanga Commission. It was just a good time to catch up, uthi wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kwiMadlanga Commission because ubusy from 8 to 12. Same thing nantambama, ngoba ngeke ukwazi ukuhlala usuku lonke ubuka iMadlanga Commission. You just catch up uma ngabe usu-driver usugodu. The fact that they've taken that away, I really don't know what informed that decision. I don't want to say it's a bad decision because I don't have, I suppose, the intelligence that they have that informed the decision. Maybe there's a research that was done and they saw that many people will enjoy normal programming more than they enjoy Madlanga Commission. If that's the case, okay, we'll live with the decision. I mean, there's nothing I can do. I can be unhappy, but there's absolutely nothing I can do. Now I just have to catch up on Madlanga Commission when I get home, because I know that SAFM is not going to play Madlanga Commission for me, which is quite sad. Yeah, that's for me. You can tell me what you think. Do you think it's better with what they are doing now, having those slots, also Lalela Njagwana for that short period of time? No, it was better when they were doing what they were doing during those current affairs slots. So, but yeah, I'm not happy. You can tell me if you're happy. Or if you've got a comment on anything that I spoke about, please feel free to go into the comment section and let us know ukuthi wena ucabangani ngakho konke esikhulume ngakho. Izifundiswa zabasakazi, breakfast eyondlayo ekseni, women in radio, as well as SAFM nongayidlali iMadlanga Commission. Le i-podcast radio and stuff. Elami igama nguNtobeko Khuluse. Thank you so much for watching. Asibonane kwivideo elandelayo.